Today, we're going to walk you through how to take payments from your contacts using SwiftFox forms. These forms can be used for a wide variety of purposes, including join forms to sign up your members, donors, or subscribers, selling tickets to paid events you may run, donate pages to allow you to raise funds, or even selling merchandise or goods. To understand how to create a form, check out our comprehensive video on creating a new form in the SwiftFox Academy. If you already know how to create a form, let's show you now how to take payments. To get started, let's head over to Forms, and in this video, we'll bring up a form that we prepared earlier. First, let's drag onto the canvas an add or update contact block so we can capture the details of the person. Now, let's drag the transaction block. On the right-hand side, you can now edit the transaction block. Give the transaction a name and select from the drop-down the type of payment this will appear as in SwiftFox. The drop-down contains all your predefined payment types. Next, let's set the dollar amount. We have some pre-filled values here, but you can either edit, add, or remove any of these amounts. These are the amounts that you will be asking of the prospect filling out the form. For example, if this is a donate form, you may wish to add multiple amounts. The next step is to set the payment method you wish to provide. To do this, drag the payment method block to the canvas. And now on the right-hand side, select the payment options you will provide on the form. The options in this drop-down will be the payment methods you have previously set up in SwiftFox and connect to your payment gateway. And before we finish, one final option that may be relevant to your organisation, let's set up payments for memberships or subscriptions. To do this, drag in the subscription block to the canvas and then edit the settings on the right-hand side. Select the plans you want the form to display by using the drop-down. You can select one or multiple. You can also set the subscription to automatically renew by enabling the default to auto-renew checkbox. Or you can give the prospect the option to choose auto-renew for themselves. Finally, you can also override the default labels SwiftFox has set to tailor the form to your organisation. Now your subscription on your form is all set up. Make sure you select the preferred payment methods you will be offering to your prospects by undertaking the steps outlined earlier in this video. We understand setting up payment forms can sometimes be a little nerve-wracking given it's dealing with revenue. So our team typically help you set up all your initial payment forms when you get started with SwiftFox, and we then provide detailed training. I hope this video has served as a refresher, and if at any time you need extra assistance, be sure to contact our team directly and we'd be more than happy to help.